as I said, we have all got together today to celebrate the successes in our respective fields. Needless to say that, one success which is celebrated, it sets a new benchmarks. Then our eyes are set on the next level of achievement. So far, all the people who have come together, we fondly call them, these are our beacons of hope. These are the people who have really, really immensely contributed to the nation building. And they're all here with us on this platform. And with this, we go into the announcement of the second round of announcement of Scotch Order of Merit. And I have the pleasure of inviting Chandrakant Pendor, who is a superintendent engineer with Which Company Limited for the project Consumer Services Advancement Enhancement System. Please unmute yourself. Muted, sir. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It is absolutely a pleasure being a part of the Scotch Award, and we are honored that Scotch has recognized us, the project, and highlighted across all the platforms. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, and congratulations to you once again. Mr. Sanjay Kulshresht, Chief Engineer, Planning and Design from Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Company Limited for inspirational or transformational performance during COVID-19. Do we have Mr. Kulshresht with us? We move on to the next announcement that goes for Mr. Amarnath Verma, Executive Director, HR from NTPC Limited. Heard him speak. Mr. Verma, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you for recognizing our efforts, and we will be committed in our efforts in this direction, and also towards making the nation absolutely self-sustaining in the power sector. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations. Let me now invite Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Ravinder Singh Dhillon, Power Finance Corporation Limited, for relief activities during COVID-19. We have Mr. Dhillon with us. Mr. Ajay Polani, Senior General Manager from Power Grid Corporation of India. Power Finance Corporation, once again, Mr. Ravinder Singh Dhillon, Chairman and Managing Director for E-Office. Mr. Holani. You are muted, sir. Please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Majay Holani from Power Grid Corporation. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Mr. A. Gopal Rao, Chairman and Managing Director from the Telangana Northern Power Distribution Company. Mr. Rao.
Thank you very much, sir, for having recognized our presentation by the Scotch Group. Thank you very much.
It has come in for heavy appreciation from our experts on the panel. We have
Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Jagat Reddy Thumu, Director Transmission from Transmission Corporation of Telangana, for project 14-day online live training program for the employees during COVID-19. Dr. Murari Kele, Managing Director, Tripura State Electricity Corporation, for response to COVID.
Thank you, Dr. Gurcharan, for selecting us for this Scotch Award, and thank you.
Our congratulations to you. That was the end of the second round of the announcement of Scotch Order of Merit. And with this, we are definitely a little ahead, running ahead of time. We will break here and reassemble at sharp 2 o'clock to go through the rest of the day's proceedings. When we come back, we will have the next panel discussion on the state of energy. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you back at 2 o'clock.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
मैथ साहब भी चालू करेंगे थोड़ा
Was documented by us in 2016. Mr. Venkaiah Naidu was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award for the contributions that he made right from the beginning when he was the Rural Development Minister. So we all know the success story of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, but very few people remember this, that it was initiated by none else than Venkaiah Naidu himself when he was the Rural Development Minister, which he mentioned during the Vajpayee government for those 2 months. That was the contribution, because the roads happened to be a state subject, and center getting into it, there were minimal chances for its success. But yes, today we have thousands and thousands of kilometers of roads connecting rural India with the urban. So the health services have reached, the education has reached, the marketing has reached, and so has the prosperity. So many more to celebrate. And with this, I move on to the announcement of the next round of Scotch Order of Merit. And it's my pleasure to invite Dr. D.C. Patra, Executive Director Planning from Bharat Petroleum Corporation, for remote monitoring of catalyst offloading loading activity, BPCL Kochi Refinery, using digital technology. Dr. Patra. We'll move on to the next, and this one also goes to excellence in response to COVID. Dr. Beena Kumari, Senior Scientist from CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory. Development
Thanks a lot.
System for automation of in-house project support group activities of NML, CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory.
Thank you so much for recognizing our efforts. This is something which we created to actually support the researchers so that the distribution and allocation of resources could be done smoothly. And up to some extent, we have achieved it. And for future also, we have more plans towards it. And since this is implementable in any CSR lab, and apart from CSR also any R&D lab, which is carrying out R&D in projectized manner. So this can be implemented in that also. So once again, this much from me, and thanks a lot again for recognizing this small effort of our lab. Thank you so much.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
I now invite Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Managing Director of Dakshin Gujarat Witch Company, for online power status monitoring system. Mr. Ashok Yadav, Director, Department of Social Welfare, Bihar, for Integrated Child Development Services.
I would like to thank Scotch and his team for recognizing our effort in the direction of enhancing the capability and the capacity of the children who are coming to our Anganwadi centers. I again thank you all. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Yadav. Mr. Sandeep Purohit, Senior Vice President from Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, managing emotions, enhancing motivation in times of COVID-19.
So, hello, I'm speaking on behalf of Purohit sir. First of all, I would like to thank enough to the Scotch Group for recognizing our efforts. And in fact, I think GSFC has not only taken care of just its employees and its dependents, but also for the entire country and for the community, specifically for the Atmanirbhar Bharat by the production of calcium nitrate, as well as by the mental health, taking care of the mental health of its employees and dependents. So we are really grateful for Scotch Group so that it has actually recognized our efforts and given this platform. Thank you so much.
You're welcome and congratulations to you. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Managing Director, Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation, for business continuity in COVID-19. Mr. Umesh Goyal, Executive Director, Information.
This is Hetal. I would like to represent GSPC and Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Thank you so much, Scotch, for acknowledging our efforts, and thank you so much for the award. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Let me move over to Mr. Umesh Goyal, Executive Director, Information Systems, Indian Oil Corporation, for e-platform for Indian oil customers. Mr. Goyal. Mr. Shailendra Sharma, Director, Education and Skill Development from IPE Global. Design and delivery of professional development program for teachers of secondary and higher secondary schools of Meghalaya. Mr. Shashi Shankar, Chairman and Managing Director, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, for COVID-19 response. Mr. Subhamoy Goswami, Deputy Commissioner of Revenue for West Bengal State Beverage Corporation Limited, for project eBevco. That brings us to the end of this round of Scotch Order of Merit announcement.